In this video, I will show you that how you can backup your Trust Wallet to your Gmail account in very simple steps. So here you can see I have opened my Trust Wallet application. After opening the Trust Wallet application, you have to click on the setting icon. Come on the setting icon, and here you have to select the wallets. Select wallets, come on the wallet for which you want to take a backup. I want to backup for my main wallet too. Select this, and here you can see two options: Google Drive backup and manual backup. I have already backup for the manual. Let me show you that how it works. Click on manual, enter your thumb or passcode, and here you will see the manual secret phrase. You just have to write these keys on the notepad. After that, you have to select the confirm. Then you will see a page to verify the keys. So this is the secret phrase backup. But if you want to backup on your Google Drive, then you have to click on the backup now. And here you have to select your Gmail, or you have to log in your Gmail. So I have already logged my Gmail account. I will select the one Gmail here. I have selected the Gmail ID. Now it says sign into Trust Wallet. Click on continue. Select all. Continue. It is processing. Here you have to set the password. A password required to encrypt your secret phrase on Google Drive. So you will need this password when you retrieve your Trust Wallet using the Google Drive. Set your password. Confirm your password. You have to tick on these both options, confirm, processing, and here we go. Here you can see we have successfully backup our Trust Wallet using the both Google Drive and manual. So I hope you understand that how you can simply backup your Trust Wallet in very simple step. If you are new on this channel and not subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.